how to get a Parallels free trial. I'm right here on this page right here where you can get the free trial. So first things first, if you click my link in the video description just below this video, you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page depending on how Parallels change it over time. And from here you can get your free trial. There's a button right here to try it for free. It is in fact a 14-day free trial. You will click the free trial here, enter your details. Then there's full instructions on how to actually download and install. You can watch the videos here. They're really useful, are very informative. You can get the DMG right here for your Mac directly as an automatic installer if you want. But I recommend checking out my link, getting that free trial, and checking out if it's the right platform for you. You get 14 days there. It's no risk to you. If it is not the right platform for you, you can cancel at any time within that 14 days and not pay anything. If it is for you, you can stick around and get a paid plan. Hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.